Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will look at how to completely remove Payjoy from your phone. If you want to remove Payjoy from your phone, then we'll need to follow some steps. As you can see here, this is the solution. Payjoy is a service that provides financing for smartphones, and it may come pre-installed on some devices to facilitate this service. If you no longer wish to use Payjoy or have concerns about its presence on your device, here some tips for Payjoy remove. Disable device administrator. Payjoy may have been granted device administrator privileges. To remove these privileges, go to your device settings, then security, then go to lock screen and security. Then go to device administrator. Find Payjoy in the list and uncheck the box next to it. This should allow you to uninstall. Then click uninstall and Payjoy uninstall and remove from your phone. That's it. These are the simple steps you need to follow if you want to remove Payjoy from your phone. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.